Thea.
Hello.
I just came by because I wanted to congratulate you personally. Ang bilis mong nakuha yung Orbos account, ha? Very impressive.
Naku, tita, thank you po. Siguro swerte lang dahil nagtiwala ulit si Mr. Orbos sa Torre Campo.
It's not just that, Iha. You've got something special. You're smart, composed, decisive. Swerte ni Edward sa'yo.
Thank you po.
You know what? I really admire women who walk into a room with charm and grace. Hindi yung agad-agad nagre-react or nagdadala ng gulo.
Naku, tita, Marge has been a great mentor to me before. I actually learned a lot from her.
Really? Then you should continue learning from her mistakes. Excuse me, punta lang ako sa meeting.
Marge has been really doing well too, tita. She's handling a lot right now. Maybe she's just...
Yeah. I'm sure she's doing her best.
At ako rin po, tita. Gagawin ko din po ang best ko to make things easier around here.
That's what I want to hear. And maybe next time, pwede mo nang mapabalik si Edward dito? Let's have lunch of ice soon, ha?
Sige po.
Sige, I'll go
Sure
ahead.
po.
Chloe!
Marge, okay ka lang? Parang maputla ka.
Hindi ako okay, pero kaya ko.
Marge, gusto ko lang sana sabihin na
Kung ano man yung sinabi ni Tita Regina,
huwag mo na masyadong pansinin yun. You know how she is. Minsan lang talaga blunt. Pero she didn't mean anything personal.
Hindi mo ko kailangan ipagtanggol. Hindi ko kailangan ng abogado sa mother-in-law ko.
Hindi naman yun yung ibig ko. Gusto ko lang sana sabihin na...
Alam ko yung tono mo. Yung sinasabi mong kaibigan, tama na. Pwede ba, Thea, huwag ka nang makipagplastikan. At huwag ka nang magmukhang mabait.
Marge, ano bang gusto mong gawin ko? Lahat na lang ng paraan ginagawa ko para mapatawad mo ko. Ano bang kailangan ko
Wala.
gawin?
Wala akong gusto. Wala akong gustong gawin mo.
Marge, teka,
Ano na naman?
yung dress mo. Marge, dinudugo ka. Kailangan kang dalhin sa ospital. I'll take you.